Good evening, guys. My name is Nandini. I completed my Bachelor of Technology from B.Tech Engineering College with the stream Information Technology, aggregated with a CGPA of 8.4, and later have joined Jspiders as an incubation student, and which was very helpful to obtain the course. And I am a 2026 passed out, have joined in January, and later one more main point, like the timetable was very well, very well designed, that as I'm a fourth year student, I used to go to the college, and where in the daytime I used to go to the college. By the evening time I used to attend the core Java class, where the designing was very well, that if I miss that class, if I used to miss the day classes, where I can attend the evening classes, in a day I can easily manage the college as well as the sessions, so which was very helpful. And I'm very thankful for Chandan sir and Giri sir and all my trainers, and especially HR ma'am. Thank you.